Hey cruisers, welcome to my channel. This video I'm sharing about the things you must not miss out on the Princess Cruise. You should do. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a comment, and don't forget to like. You don't want to miss out going to the gym. This is perfect for your vacation, to relax, find time for you and your family. You can go to this, and do some exercise. You don't want to miss out the massages and facials they have to offer. They also have salons, they have manicure, pedicure. You don't want to miss out. There are so much things to do throughout the Princess. You'll find entertainment in the evening, in the day. You can go to the casino. You can have a lot of fun. This is one of my all-time favorite thing to do on the Princess, going to the hot tub. Oh my god, this is so much fun that you don't want to miss out. The water, it's so fun. You relax, after a day, you spend a day going to places. Maybe you went to Juno or Ketchikan, anywhere, any place you went. Be it you stayed on the cruise and you did a lot of activities. You need to end your day in a hot tub. It's so relaxing. I recommend it. I did this every day. Another thing to do is to visit the shops on the cruise. They have nice jewelry, guys. You don't want to miss out that. This is the favorite part everyone has to visit. They have a variety of food. Oh my god, delicious food. They have appetizers, you get to pick any type of food you want. Lunch, breakfast, dinner, everything is there. And of course you don't want to miss out the piano, so they always play the piano in the evening. Right here, you don't want to miss out. They always make stuff from ice. Right now this person is making a mermaid from the iceberg, so you don't want to miss such things, because you will not know unless someone takes you there. But every time someone boards on the cruise, they make something different. But for us on our cruise days, they made mermaid. And right here, it's movies under the stars. You don't want to miss out watching movies every evening. They have blankets, they cover those chairs. You get relaxed. So they have puppies on the cruise. They bring them in. If you want to take a picture or snuggle, you can see Joshi's having fun, so you don't want to miss out that too. have daycare, if you have kids. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe.